Afternoon, gentlemen. Alright, hopefully you've opened this up in Schoology and you are now ready to start the lesson. First task of all, gentlemen, is to copy this posting as a posting. So we'll go to Edit, select all, Control C. Why are we copying it? We are copying it so that we know exactly what we need to do for Technology Day, and we can find all that information on our blog. So now I'll go to our blog, and as you can see, I've already pasted it into the blog in a post. Now I'm going to push publish. It's now added. And if we go to view the blog, we can see technology, it's all down there. So you are to create it. So we have it all in your blog, all ready to go and to work for you. All right. So what are you doing? All right. Your task today is to work in pairs, create a map of Shikmun area, which will have you walking or running a distance of at least 5 kilometers. Show the distance on the map. You are to locate 8 key points of interest, known as checkpoints. You can give them names and post this map to your blog. Make sure you name it in the following manner. Go for a walk and run and locate and identify your 8 checkpoints. Then take a photo of you or your partner at these key checkpoints. Later you will add these photos to your map. See below video to load pictures to your map. Alright, so what do we do from here? Well, our first task is to actually create a map. So to do that, we need to go to Google Maps. So I'll just show you going to Google Maps. It's as easy as anything. Google Maps. Click on Google Maps. You should already be, because you don't have a Google account, you will already have one. So I have a Google account, and I can go to Maps, My Maps, and then in the corner over here we have one that says Create a Map. So I've already created a map, and it's called Practice Map Shipmun. So I've named it Shipmun, and I can now go to the original map. Alright, now you should have watched the video earlier, which will have explained all the different ways that you can go on about doing things. Make sure you name things correctly. So at the moment that's just called A, and we can fix that up by looking at labels and asking it to name, and look what happens, it becomes named over here. So that's one way we can do it. We also can go into it, click onto it, and notice we have a picture in here. So I'll just quickly show you how that can be done by going to, let's go to somewhere of interest, Shikmun MTR. So we'll click on, make a mark at Shikmun MTR. And we're going to call that MTR. It's already labeled, but just showing. And notice that we can add a picture over here. So I'm going to add a picture there. And what I can go here is go Shikmun MTR. Searching, and as you can see, comes up with a photo of Shikmun MTR. What's a photo we can use? Let's use that one. Go select, and there we have Shikmun MTR, and now that's added to it. Alright, so there is, I've got that. Now another thing that we can do is to measure distance. So that's another thing you need to do. So this is it here. I click on that, I go there, walk through there, across the road, there. So it's a total of 240 meters, so we can measure that out. Alright, so that's how you go about measuring your map. Now I'll just get off there and click it. And then over here, one of the other things that we've got you to do is to share. So we go into share, we have the name and go save. I'm going to skip that. Alright, and we're going to go to share. So you can, in here, name the various people that can share this map. You can share this map so that people can just view it, but because you are sending it to me and say other people in your group, you just name all of them in there. You can also send a message and then send. Right, so we can cancel that. So once you've done your map, you can then share it. Alright, that's about as much as I need to do. And a reminder, the other part of sharing it, skip that, is that we want to be able to post it on our map, so we can use this URL there. So we copy that, and we go done, and then we go to our blog. We're going to create a new post. Alright, we make sure to put in the ARTM and do Control V. And we'll see where we'll go. View preview.